Hi friends, so I just wanted to show you my go-to camping oatmeal recipe. Now this is adapted from my dad's recipe that we would take when hiking, camping, or backpacking. So it's so simple, everything's added, and all you have to do is just add water and cook it in the morning when you're ready to eat it. So let's see it. So to start out, we have 2 cups of oats. This is about a cup of dehydrated strawberries, but you could really use any dried or dehydrated fruit you wanted. This is some coconut flakes, again optional, use whatever you want. I used like a 1/4 cup of slivered almonds, and this is like 4 ounces of brown sugar, which I kind of just estimated with a spoon. This is dried coconut powder, which you could also use like dried milk or just whatever to add creaminess to it. And then comes the easy part. You literally just pour it all in and mix it all together. And I'm probably gonna do this first. Honestly, if I was to redo this, I would probably do like the powdered stuff first. And I also kind of want a bigger bowl. Okay. So just adding everything, and seriously, like, the beauty of this recipe is it is so customizable. Use any fruit you want, use as much sugar as you want, use as much of anything you want. It is just so easy and versatile, and that is why I love it. And then we're just gonna put it in this 1-gallon Ziploc bag. When you go to measure it, when you're about to eat it, just make sure that you kind of mix it around, because you want to make sure you get equal parts of the brown sugar and the fruits and nuts in here. Just 1 part oat mix to 2 parts water. That's it. So simple. Just put it all in the pot and boil it together. It's so simple. Literally, I bring this every time I go camping, and then I don't have to worry about breakfast. Okay, so I put the amount of oatmeal that I feel like eating this morning in here. The water just finished boiling, so I'm just kind of estimating how much water I want to put in. I like it a little more liquidy, because that way I can just kind of drink it while I'm driving. But obviously you can make it thicker if that's what you prefer, and of course you can cook it in the pot as well. I just wanted to do it in here because I don't want to create too many dishes. I'm just trying to jump on the road. It's all about estimating. I really don't measure how much oats or water I put in, or even the ingredients when I'm making it, so it's really just as customizable as you want it to be. Hope you enjoyed.